Hello YouTube, welcome to another video by the Geo Scholar, and I have these coins here. I've got some Chinese money and I've got some Canadian money here, and this is going to be the centerpiece of my video. What this has to do with geography, stay tuned. I have found these coins in my change at different time periods. I found this Chinese 1 yuan piece at one point. Actually, I found this last week. You look at it, it says yuan, 1 yuan. And I've got this Canadian dime here. This is a 10 Canadian cent piece. And I'm going to explain a few things about one of the things about this money. Obviously, this money did not get here by itself. You have to think about diffusion. You have to think about the movement of people, of goods. This coin obviously had to have come here because someone brought it here. Somebody who came here from China or took a trip to China brought this money here, and they might have had it with them. And one thing about this is if you didn't look at this, if you just touched it, it could be mistaken for a quarter, but obviously this is 1 yuan. Obviously, but, somebody might have brought it with them, might have used it by mistake. Same with this Canadian dime. Somebody had to have gone to Canada on a recent trip or came here from Canada, brought it with them. You have that migration, diffusion, people bringing ideas, goods, and in this case, somebody bringing foreign money with them. And obviously, I live in the United States of America, and the US dollar, the US dime, and US penny, US money is the currency used here. But obviously, somebody might have brought it with them. And there's more. You take this here, Chinese yuan. On the back of here, this is a type of flower that's found a lot in China, known as the chrysanthemum. And the chrysanthemum, the origin of the chrysanthemum is East Asia. Map of East Asia. Basically, this area right here is the origin of the chrysanthemum, and this is why you have the chrysanthemum on the 1 yuan piece. And it is the city flower for the city of Kaifeng, China. This Canadian dime here, let's look a little closer. You got image of the Queen here. Now, Canada is its own country. It technically does not have a monarchy, not in Canada anyway, but because it's part of the British Commonwealth, you will see images on the Queen on the money. In fact, a little closer. If you ever, you see Regina, that means queen in Latin. And there is a city in Canada called Regina. Well, actually, it's pronounced Regina. It's the capital of Saskatchewan. But, you get the point. But now if you look at the back of this, that is the Blue Nose. It's a type of schooner that was in a boat race. And it took place here Nova Scotia. And these are the Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, Newfoundland. These are the maritime provinces of Canada. This is the Atlantic region of Canada. And when you look at something like this schooner, you're going to be thinking about the sea. You're going to be thinking about, the coast. You have to think about this is a major fishing region and how important boats are to this part of Canada. And that is something really important to consider. More than meets the eye when you look at money. Hope you liked the video. I hope you learned something about money, about migration, about, when you think about, when you find things, you try to think about it a little deeper. Don't forget to leave a comment on the video, like, and subscribe.